Today, the global manufacturing industry is accelerating the transformation of digital intelligence. Leveraging its insights into global manufacturing and profound experience, U9 Cloud ERP provides enterprises with a one-stop solution for transformation. As is known, it focuses on mid to large-sized manufacturing enterprises, helping them build an intelligent operation system covering the entire business loop and achieve high-quality development. In terms of global compliance, it supports multi-organization, multi-language, multi-account book operations and complies with GDPR and PDPA. For real-time global collaboration, it enables seamless cooperation, cross-border data management, and cross-time zone production scheduling. As a stable and scalable cloud ERP, it offers public, private, and hybrid cloud deployments. It also brings advanced manufacturing experience across 50-plus subfields and a localized service network covering 40-plus countries via 12 overseas offices, ensuring end-to-end support. To gain a deeper understanding of U9 Cloud ERP, let's have a look. By integrating mobile internet, big data, IoT, and AI, it empowers enterprises to realize digitalized management, intelligent manufacturing, refined control, agile operations, and globalized engagement. Importantly, it builds a collaborative management and control platform in global supply chain scenarios. First, it provides a platform which integrates finance, supply chain, manufacturing, and HR into one process engine. Second, it pools all business data together for predictive analysis and reports. Besides, it can seamlessly integrate with PLM, MES, and other systems, providing one-stop solutions for enterprises. U9 Cloud ERP's strength lies in its full domain solutions, supported by three core capabilities: globalization, digital intelligence, and mobilization. Importantly, built on Yonyou Industrial Internet Platform and Yonyou BIP Cloud Platform, it delivers multi-organization collaboration, global financial consolidation, and local compliance operation. The globalization platform is a key part of U9 Cloud ERP, with openness, agility, and integration as its core advantages. It includes basic engine, data management, application, construction and publishing, system integration, and BIP cloud integration, etc. This allows global businesses to be managed on a single platform while meeting local compliance. Next is global supply chain management, which includes global resource planning, global inventory management, global procurement management, global trade and customs management. This supports cross-national, cross-regional, and multi-format collaboration while ensuring agile responses and lean operations. Moving to global production management, its key functions include IPDR&D, multi-mode planning, cross-organization, production scheduling, intelligent workshop management, and full process quality traceability, etc. This solution enables efficient collaboration and lean management across global R&D, planning and production. Now, let's talk about global financial and tax management, which covers global financial accounting, global budgeting, global fund and payment, and global tax compliance. It helps enterprises achieve lean financial management and intelligent decision-making in global operations. Based on global best practices, U9 Cloud ERP offers 10 key scenario solutions. These include cross-organization collaboration, intelligent production, precision cost management, and more. For example, personalized customization uses model-based and parametric configuration. Project-based manufacturing uses WBS plus PRP for full cycle control. Each scenario is tailored to solve specific pain points. U9 Cloud ERP's industry-leading practice suite is built on its experience serving global manufacturers. It includes industry-specific product modules, scenario-based solutions, standard implementation tools, and global lending practices, with light consulting services, providing mature transformation pathways for management upgrades. For specific industries, equipment manufacturing focuses on project control tools like WBS and progress tracking. Automotive components uses N+X, rolling scheduling, and daily delivery Kanbans. IC Chips offers end-to-end fables management and yield analysis, and smart manufacturing enables full process barcode collection and automatic scheduling. Another key capability is total cost management, which has 3 advantages. First, full process coverage spans marketing, procurement, inventory, production, and finance, breaking data silos to identify cost loopholes. Cross-organization collaboration helps enterprise to build a collaborative cost control ecosystem. End-to-end closed-loop management uses a PDCA cycle to adapt control strategies to business changes. U9 Cloud ERP also stands out for its AI capabilities. Its intelligent application architecture is the cornerstone for AI business scenario. Specifically, intelligent platform connection can build intelligent application brains via business data and LLMs. AI plus scenario services can reshape business processes for automation and intelligence. AI plus data services supports personalized data querying via ChatBI for business diagnosis and report generation. To meet diverse enterprise needs, U9 Cloud ERP offers 3 flexible deployment models, including dedicated cloud deployment, on-premises deployment subscription, and on-premises deployment license. It gives enterprises different choice based on their scale and strategic plans. A mature global service system supports U9 Cloud ERP's global operations. Built on proven experience, this standardized system can meet multinational enterprises' localized needs. Its services include systematized service support, personalized service fulfillment, Yonyou Service Portal, and multi-dimensional product empowerment. Finally, let's look at who has chosen U9 Cloud ERP. As shown, U9 Cloud ERP has customers in various industries, covering the whole vehicle, auto parts, military, electronics, and other industries, demonstrating its ability of being a reliable partner for manufacturing enterprises.